Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you swatches and a tutorial of this look right here, created with new eyeshadows from Sydney Grace. If you like tutorials and swatches, then consider subscribing because I do them along with makeup reviews and hauls here on my channel every Saturday. So Sydney Grace, formerly known as Feather River Body, they are an independent makeup brand. I believe they got their start selling eyeshadows on Etsy, and they're two sisters, I think. They dropped some new eyeshadows, and I don't remember how many they released, but I picked up 7 of them. And I primarily picked up green shades because you know, green is the it color now. So I wanted to hop on that as soon as I saw these. Now, Sydney Grace eyeshadows are not new to my collection. I do have other shadows from them. These are all Sydney Grace, and there are a few singles in here, and then there are some that are part of the winter bundle. And I do have other videos with swatches and tutorials of Sydney Grace. I do have a tutorial and swatches using the winter bundle that I will link up here. So I do like their eyeshadows. Their mattes are $5 each, and their metallics are $6. I got 7 of the new shades, and these 7 right here, one of them is like a plum, and then this one is a bronze, and then the other ones are sort of part of this family of army green. So these 3 shimmers right here were $6, and then these mattes were $5. So let's go into the swatches. And these are the swatches. None of these swatches had to be built up. They're all very pigmented. The mattes feel smooth in the pan. None of them feel exceptionally dry. And the shimmers, look at those. These are just one swipe down the front. Beautiful. Starting with the mattes, this is Vanguard, which is this nice brown. It looks more like a dirty mustard brown in the pan. This is what it looks like in the pan. But the swatch, it just looks like a really dark brown on the swatch, which is a little disappointing. I would have preferred that it looked like this, like it does in the pan. But anywho, that's Vanguard. The next one is Bravo, which is like a classic army green. This next one is General, which again looks like a really dark green. Yeah, I guess, yeah, see, it looks so much darker on my skin than it does. It looks more green in the pan and just looks almost like black brown on the skin, but it is green. It's just a very dark green. And then this plummy shade here is Officer, and it does look plummy in the pan as well. And then at the top, the shimmers, and that first one is Commission, and this next one is Recruit. That's the second one. And then this last one is Cadet. I'm wearing my lounge shirt today, and it was green, so I thought I would just keep it on. You could easily pair this look with a neutral lip. I, of course, did the most with green. I've never worn this shade before, so I thought I would put it on for this look today. But, you know, it's a lot. I realize it's a lot. So, if you would like to see how I created this look using the new eyeshadows from Sydney Grace, then keep on watching. I'm starting off with my Urban Decay Primer Potion, the anti-aging one. Everything I mention or use will be listed in the description box below. I'm going to take Vanguard on a Wayne Goss number 16 brush, and I'm going to place that into the crease. And as you can see, it looks so much different on my lid than it does, or on my skin than it does in the pan. Like, it was really dark brown. Now I'm going in with Bravo, and that's a Wayne Goss number 17 brush, and I'm going to put that in the crease as well. And this is like a real classic army green shade, and as you can see, it is pigmented, and both of these shadows are matte. And I got the Wayne Goss eye brush set for Christmas, so I've been trying them out to see how I like them. Now I'm going in with General, and this is a Wayne Goss number 18 brush, and I'm going to put that on my outer V and blend it halfway into the crease, halfway across the crease. And this is just like the same shade I just used, but just a deeper green. Now I'm taking Recruit, and I'm going to put this on the inner first half of the lid, and I'm using this shadow dry. That's right, you heard correct, dry. Now, can you imagine what it would look like if I used it wet? Incredible pigmentation. Now I'm taking Cadet, and I'm going to put that on the other half of the lid. And these colors are very, very similar, extremely similar, except this one's just a little more green, a little darker, a little more green. And I like how all the names of the shadows relate to the military, and they're all centered around kind of this like army green shade. And I'm just blending that in with that Recruit that I put in on the first half, and now I'm going back in with that shade that we put in the outer V, General, just to make sure that those blend nicely together, and then back into the crease with Bravo, just to make sure it's defined and that those shadows are all blended seamlessly together. Now I'm taking my NYX eyeshadow and Blame It on Midnight, and this is another Delium Tools brush, and I'm using that as my underbrow highlight, and I'm also blending out the edge of that green up there in the crease. And now I'm taking a makeup wipe, and I am just cleaning up the fallout, of which there was quite a little bit from those metallic shades. And I'm just going to sharpen that on the edge there for my wing. And now I'm just going to take those colors that I used above the lid, and I'm going to put them on the lower lash line, and this would be General, and then I'm going to go in with Bravo. And I forgot to put any color on my waterline today, so oops. Now I'm taking this eyeshadow from MAC. It's one of their pretty little things, pretty shiny things, shadows from that collection. And it's this gorgeous, super glittery green. And this is a Makeup Geek pencil brush. And I thought it just set it off this look beautifully. And this is the completed look, the Inglot Gel Eyeliner number 77, the Koko Lashes in number 107, which I put on all wrong and wonky, as you can see. And then, yeah, this is the completed look. And that is the tutorial. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a like and consider subscribing, because I do tutorials along with hauls, reviews, and swatches here on my channel every Saturday. As always, I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.